Hello. Welcome to the technical analysis of Iren Ltd. Iren Ltd is pushing sharply higher. Breakout energy seems to be building. Key context: price reclaimed the 50-day EMA today. Today, the stock is gained by 8.1%, and the 30-day trend points to a downtrend. Price is above the 9, 50, and 200-day EMAs, confirming a strong uptrend across timeframes. There is an upward gap between $27.02 and $27.05 that is still open. A full gap fill would imply roughly a 39.9% pullback from current levels. Price remains capped by a falling trendline near $58.69. If selling continues, next key support is near $35.63. A falling short-term regression channel is capping price near $47.71. As long as price stays below this short-term resistance, downside pressure dominates. A decisive daily close above this line would be the first warning that the short-term downtrend is starting to lose control. A midterm level sits around 53.66. Clearing this zone would open room for a test of the downtrend line near $58.69. Between the midterm and long-term objectives, an extra resistance band appears near $76.87. The long-term roadmap is in a build phase, with 2 of 4 confirmations in place. EMA 50 reclaimed, EMA 200 reclaimed, and downtrend break, prior high cleared, still pending. Based on the prior impulse, a reasonable completion window is about 20 to 38 sessions, or roughly 5.8 weeks. Invalidation sits near $35.63 on a decisive daily close below that level. Momentum is building. Both MACD and RSI are confirming the current strength. In a similar MACD cycle between August 15th and October 20th, the price saw an increase of around 200.8%. From a long-term perspective, price remains inside the broader trend channel on the longer-term view. Zooming into the latest short-term trading channel, price is testing an area of resistance near the top of the short-term channel. Adding a Fibonacci roadmap on top of this structure, the price is trading above the 78%, approximately 42.66 Fibonacci retracement level, with the 61% retracement near approximately 49.97 below. The upcoming Fibonacci extension targets are around approximately 88.71, Fib 1.27, and then approximately 103.77, Fib 1.62. Technical analysis update. Looking at Iren Ltd today, conditions are reading as bullish overall. Price is currently above the medium-term moving averages, which anchors the broader trend bias. The main tactical trigger to watch is a daily close above $53.66. A daily close above $53.66 with MACD confirmation would argue for a continuation type setup. On the defensive side, this roadmap starts to weaken on a sustained break below $35.63. Momentum and participation add context to that roadmap. RSI is currently around 53.4, and MACD is above its signal line, pointing to building strength in the current swing. Volume is running close to its 20-day average, and volatility via ATR is relatively stable. On the near-term map, the key reference levels include near-term resistance around $45.68, support near $44.26, a midterm target around $53.66. In the bigger picture, the long-term measured move objective sits near $120. If the broader trend can stay intact, an upside roadmap to monitor is $120 as the long-term measured move objective, $147 as a 1.618 extension, $191 as a 2.618 extension. Overall, the coming sessions should reveal whether this roadmap can stay on track or transition into a deeper corrective phase. Here are the latest updates for Iren Ltd. The most recent headline is, Iren stock surges 6% despite deeply troubling earnings miss. Investis, Iren SW, SIX, pre-market CHF 151.50, 17 Mar 2026 earnings. Iren SW stock EPS focus, Meka, 8 hours ago. Iren stock price eyes a 45% surge as Nebius inks $27 billion deal with Meta. Bankless Times, 16 hours ago. That wraps up this technical analysis on Iren Ltd. If you found it helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel so you do not miss future updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.